Did you know over 78% of workers worry about unexpected expenses? It's a common concern for people everywhere. Imagine this. Sarah, a dedicated 32-year-old graphic designer, suddenly faces a costly car repair right before payday. Instead of stress, Sarah taps into a simple daily online income stream she set up weeks ago. Within hours, her surprise bill is covered. No dipping into savings or borrowing needed at all. This isn't magic. It's smart planning combined with a proven method to earn steadily from home. What makes it even more powerful? How accessible it is. Just a little time each day builds your cushion. It's the extra financial cushion everyone wishes for. Sarah's story shows turning anxiety into action. Transform surprises from setbacks into manageable moments, just like Sarah did. What if you could do the same? Secure your financial peace of mind starting today. Don't wait for the next emergency. Subscribe now. Join our community. Scan the QR code. Start building your daily safety net and take control.